Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will apply a transparent background glass effect. So there is a third-party extension that you can install here which is called as Glasset. If you just type this Glasset glass IT, this is the name of the extension, and this extension will come right here. If you see, it's got almost 560,000 installs. So what this extension will do, it will change your VS Code to a transparent. You can see that now it has changed it like this. You can see how cool this effect is looking. And simply you just need to navigate to the search bar. Simply type this Glasset. Simply activate this. If you just want to disable this, you can disable this extension. And just need to restart the extension for disabling. So if you just want to enable this, you can simply enable this, and this will actually make your Visual Studio transparent like a glass effect. It actually adds a property here which you can control in the user setting file. If you drag down this property here, Glasset Alpha. So this is by default it is set to 220, but in the documentation they have shown right here. It basically 1 to 255, and there is another property step increment of alpha. Alpha is nothing but is opacity, so it is set to 255, 220 by default. You can even change to 255. So you just need to restart the editor to take the changes. So now you can see the changes are taken place. If you decrease the value here, it will like this. So this is the extension, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains 1,000